Hi YouTube, Susan here again. Just a short video today. I just wanted to share a recent purchase with you and give you a little demonstration. It is a Swingline 3-hole paper punch that I picked up, and it says it'll do 12 sheets. Now, we'll see about that. It's got 3 fixed heads for 3-hole punching. So, I just picked this up today at our local IDA drugstore, and because we need a hole punch. We've been needing it for a while and we never get it, so I made sure to get out today and get it. Anyway, it comes in the compressed form for packaging, right? Something flat and squarish. Okay, so the way to get access to the full range of this is to compress it a little more and take these black pieces out that are there for packing. Okay, take them out. Now, there's how it sits to give you the movement you need. Now, I'm going to test first 3 sheets of paper and then 6 sheets. Now, on the this is all metal. Love the blue. The bottom is plastic, and the bottom of the punch has a paper guide on the bottom. The top is flush. So you rest the bottom of your papers there. Now, I'm going to take 3 pages at one shot, because anything can do 1 page, right? Let's give her 3 to try. There we go. And now it's at the bottom of the guide there, and I'm not pushing it in excessively. And that took no effort at all. Nice clean holes. Now let's try it with 6 pages. There's 6 pages here. This is just plain copy paper. And there we go. We're all lined up. That took a little bit more effort, but again, it punched it clean through. Now we take the 2 that we did and line them up, and they are perfect. Now, one last thing before we go. Let's try and get these into the binder and see if it lines up properly. And it does. As you can see, it is perfectly lined up. And there you have it. Anyway, Swingline is a good brand. I've had a Swingline stapler before and it's served me for years. So I thought I'd take a chance on a 3-hole punch, and only time will tell how well this does. So I want to thank you for watching, and please take a moment to rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It would help my channel out a lot, and I can produce more videos like this for you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.